Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10/11 or a desktop that supports snapping. Once confirmed, enable Snap Assist in settings so the OS will offer suggestions. Next, pick two apps you want side by side and close distractions. This reduces layout conflicts. Now drag the first window to the left edge until it snaps or press Windows plus left. Do this first to anchor one pane. It creates the split layout and triggers the system to suggest remaining windows. Once the first window is snapped, bring the second window into focus and snap it to the opposite side using drag or Windows plus right. You must position Windows deliberately so the OS creates a tiled layout. This ensures predictable behavior. Then adjust the divider by clicking and dragging, move toward one app to favor it, or hold Shift for finer control in some environments. If you need a different app, use Task View or Alt plus Tab to swap it into the snapped slot without breaking the layout. To finalize, polish the layout. Use Windows plus up to maximize one pane or Windows plus down to stack. Make sure your mouse or keyboard shortcuts are responsive. This keeps the workflow smooth. If a window won't snap, try dragging it off and back, or use the keyboard commands to reapply the split. As a troubleshooting tip, if snapping consistently fails, restart Explorer or check Snap Assist, display scaling, and multi-monitor settings. These often block snapping or misplace windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.